Today I'm going to show you how to fix Elementor inline fonts not displaying correctly. If you've noticed that icons or custom fonts aren't showing up properly on your site, this quick settings adjustment will resolve the issue and get everything displaying as it should. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu where you'll find all your main navigation options. Look for the option labeled Elementor and hover your mouse over it. This will reveal a submenu with additional choices related to Elementor's configuration and features. From that submenu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main Elementor settings page where you can control various aspects of how Elementor functions on your site. It's the central hub for managing performance, integrations, and feature toggles that affect your entire design workflow. Once you're on the settings page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Features tab. This particular tab houses all the optional features and experimental settings that Elementor offers, allowing you to enable or disable specific functionalities based on your needs. Now scroll down through the Features tab until you locate the option labeled Inline Font Icons. This setting determines how Elementor loads and displays icon fonts on your pages. When this feature is active, it embeds font icons directly into your page's HTML rather than loading them as external files, which can significantly improve how reliably they display across different browsers and devices. Next, toggle Inline Font Icons to active. By enabling this option, you're telling Elementor to inline the font icon data, which resolves most display issues related to icons not appearing or showing up as boxes or question marks instead of the intended symbols. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This commits your new settings and immediately applies them across your site. Your Elementor inline fonts should now display correctly throughout all your pages and templates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.